Hey guys, it is Monday, September the 14th, just a little before 2 p.m. We are preparing down on the Gulf Coast for Hurricane Sally. It is expected to make landfall tomorrow. Not a direct hit here for us here in Orange Beach, but we are going to feel a lot of the effects. We are on the bad side, so we should get a lot of water and rain. I'm going to give you a few little shots of what the water levels are looking like right now, and of course tide's going out right now. We'll have high tide coming back in at 9 p.m. tonight, so we've got that complicating the situation along with the massive amounts of rain. Thank you for watching the videos. Stay safe, and here is Orange Beach, Alabama on September the 14th ahead of Hurricane Sally. You can see where the waves have been washing up over the boardwalk here already. This isn't from rain, this is actually from Perdido Pass. Actually in the roadway that have washed in with some of the bigger waves. And water is already standing over the boat slips here at Cotton Bayou, a few inches over the actual boardwalk itself. And of course, reminder, tide is going out right now, so it's going to come in tonight about 9 p.m. so that's going to add to this. They're calling for a 4 to 7 foot storm surge, so 4 to 7 feet over this. Beach vendors have brought all of their chairs and boxes in. Angry Gulf out there ahead of Sally. This is the Romar Beach public beach access. Big waves forming out past the point of the Four Seasons Pier there. Gonna get a lot bigger before it's over. Angry Gulf. I'm here at the Cotton Bayou public beach access. it is starting to rain a little bit now, so I'm going to head back to the house and tie up any loose ends there. Hopefully I'll be able to get out later, give you some more video of what it looks like as the rain comes in and Hurricane Sally. Just depends on what roads will be open and which won't. Hopefully it won't be that bad, but stay tuned, we'll see. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.